Hello, today we will guide you through how to quick brush in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Give it a moment to fully load so you can see the editing workspace clearly. If you already have a project open, that's fine too, as long as you're able to access the timeline and preview area. Next, drag your sample picture into the timeline. This places the image into your project so you can begin editing it. Make sure the picture is dropped into the correct track and is visible in the preview window. If needed, you can adjust your view slightly so both the timeline and preview are easy to see. Once the image is in place, click on the sample picture in the timeline. This is important because CapCut needs the image selected before it will show the editing options related to that specific media file. When it's selected, you should see controls and settings appear for that image. Now look toward the top right of the interface and find the Remove BG option. This is the tool you'll use to isolate the subject from the background. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to scan the panel carefully, since tool placement can sometimes vary slightly depending on the version of the app. When you find Remove BG, click on it. This opens the background removal tools for the selected image. At this stage, you're preparing CapCut to let you manually guide the selection, which is especially helpful when automatic background removal needs a little extra precision. From there, click on the Smart Brush tool. This tool allows you to highlight the object you want to keep. It's designed to make selection faster and easier by detecting the subject as you brush over it. Now apply the brush tool on the preview panel. Click or brush over the part of the image you want selected. As you do this, CapCut will begin recognizing the object, and you should see the selected area become highlighted, often in blue. Try to brush carefully and stay focused on the subject you want to isolate for the cleanest result. Once the object is fully selected and clearly highlighted in blue, go back to the Remove BG section and click Apply. This confirms the selection and tells CapCut to remove the background around the chosen object. After that, your quick brush selection should be applied, and your subject will stand out without the original background. If the selection doesn't look perfect right away, just take your time while brushing so the highlighted area